a Valentine's Day craft, and we're going to be doing a card holder and a Valentine's Day card. So first we're going to start with the card holder. What you're going to need is a pair of scissors, glue. You can use a glue sticks or Elmer's glue, whatever you have at home. Wiggly eyes. I have huge ones, but you can have little ones, whatever size you want. Construction paper or foam piece. And a gift bag. Any size, but this is the size we chose. And a marker. So first, what you're gonna do is you can freehand, or you could go ahead and print out a template and go ahead and cut it out, and then you're gonna trace it on your paper like this. So I traced my big heart, and you have to add a big happy face. So you could go ahead and throw your cards in the happy face. So after you trace all your hearts, I did 1 big heart, 3 medium-sized hearts, 2 little ones, and 2 baby ones. So you're gonna go ahead and cut it out. Cut out all of the hearts. Very easy, very simple for you guys to do. You guys should have all these items at home. If not, they do sell them at the Dollar Tree. So once you go ahead and cut out all your hearts, you should have your big heart and all your little hearts. You're gonna go ahead and get your gift bag. You're gonna trace your big heart. You're gonna have to trace the mouth right on there. So you're gonna go ahead and get a marker or a pen. Trace the mouth like this. So once you have your mouth, you're gonna cut out your mouth, and then you should have one that looks like this. Once you're done doing that, you're gonna go ahead and get your big heart, and you're gonna line it up with the mouth just like this, and you're gonna glue it right on there. So get your glue. Put a lot of glue. Sometimes, especially when you use the foam, it takes a lot of glue to stick. Go ahead and line it up. And now you should have your heart on your bag just like this. Now go ahead and get your wiggly eyes. Put a lot of glue on the wiggly eyes because they're hard to stick. Put them on your big heart. So it should, so it should look like this. Now basically you're just gonna decorate however you want. I use the 2 little hearts to put on the cheeks. And then you get the big hearts. Put it wherever you want. It's your gift bag, your card holder. You could do whatever you want. So you should get something like this, and it should end like this. You can go ahead and throw your cards. When you get a card, right in there, and there you go, is your card holder for Valentine's Day. Okay, now we're gonna be going ahead and doing our Valentine's Day card. This card is Thumb Buggy Loves You. So what you're gonna need is cardstock or construction paper, whatever you have at home, a Sharpie, wiggly eyes, small, if you have small, better, and paint, 2 colors. We use red and pink. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your cardstock or your paper, you're gonna fold it in half. Then you're going to go ahead and get your marker, and you're gonna go ahead and write Thumb Buggy. You can do it however you like. If you want to decorate it with hearts or be creative with your writing, that's great. So Thumb Buggy, and then at the bottom you're just gonna put Loves You. Like this. Now all you need is your thumb and your paint. Make sure you have wipies on the side so that way you can go ahead and wipe off the color so you can use your other color. So you're gonna get your thumb. I'm gonna use red first. To make the heart-shaped head, you're gonna put one thumbprint this way, and then the other one this way. So you have like a little heart shape. Now you can go ahead, I'm gonna keep on my red, and I'm just gonna skip. So I'm gonna do like 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks just like that. Now you're gonna go ahead and get your wipey, wipe your thumb, make sure it's clean for your next color. Go ahead and dip your thumb into your pink. And now you're gonna fill in the areas that are empty. Just like that. You don't really need a lot of paint for this. Very simple. There you go. Wipe off your paint. Then you're gonna get your Sharpie. And now you're gonna draw your little legs. We do 2 per thumb. Just like that. So 2 per thumb all the way down, kind of like an L shape. Just like that. Then you're gonna do your antennas. Then once it's dry, mine isn't dry right now, but once it's dry, you're gonna go ahead and get your wiggly eyes, peel them off, and stick them on. It really won't stick on mine right now because it is wet still, but I'll show you guys. So there you go. Then you're gonna open your card up, and you can put whatever you want inside. I decided to put Happy Valentine's Day and then my name, but you could put whatever you want. Be mine, be creative. Very simple. Everybody should have this stuff at home. And thank you guys for joining us and for our Valentine's Day craft. Thank you.